What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have an exciting video for you tonight. I'm going to talk about one of the most important things here at the OnlineBusiness.App, and that is the OnlineBusiness.App Smart Software. That's right, it's the only one business smart app software, and it is absolutely amazing. Whether you're looking to scale your current business, or you're looking to start a business, say you want to be a person that's a digital freelancer, or you're looking to say build a website, or even if you want to have something elaborate like a e-commerce store, this platform is everything all built in one and more. In fact, this is absolutely amazing. It is truly one of a kind platform, and our entire business here at the OnlineBusiness.App runs on this platform. Everything from our marketplace like Amazon, all the way to the software itself, all the way through our social network, and so much more. This software is so incredible. It has so much to offer, and you guys are going to be surprised when you find out how many companies run on Amazon Web Services, which is what this software runs on. So I'm excited to share it with you. Let's get right into it. When you first go on the OnlineBusiness.App, you're going to land right here on this page. It's going to talk about the online business software right here, the smart app. It's going to talk about joining now. What I'm going to do is show you. It talks about themes, website builder, funnel builder, e-commerce. You can actually have memberships. You can have an emailer, an auto emailer responder, and so much more. Let's scroll down here and let's check this thing out. So first and foremost, I want to talk to you. If you want to start or grow your business online, you can start here with a free 14-day trial. See, we want to make sure you get a chance to take it for a test drive, so to speak, kind of try it before you invest in it to see if it is a good fit for you. Most software out there is very confusing. It's very, very hard to use and hard to understand. So most people, when they want to take a look at the software, they at least want a chance to check the software out. Now, I'm confident once you start to check this software out, you can start to see why so many people use it. Let's go ahead and scroll down and let's keep going. So first and foremost, I was talking about how it is simple and intuitive and it has a drag and drop builder. So you'll be able to drag, drop your information, drop your pictures, kind of retype information, resize that information, all just from a click in the button and being able to drag it around. You'll also be able to change background colors, change the orientation of what you want to present on the page. So this really has endless possibilities. And that's what makes this so amazing, this software. Now, I talk about this software right now, and if you want to get involved with the software, your business will be hosted on the #1 platform in the world. That's right. You can host your business right here on our software. It is actually built on Amazon Web Services. See, this is the same infrastructure trusted by multi-billion-dollar companies such as Airbnb, Adobe, Coinbase, Comcast, Capital One, Disney, ESPN, Netflix, Twitch, Lamborghini, General Electric, and more. So all of those major corporations trust Amazon Web Services, and that's what it is. See, we have drag and drop technology. You can point, click, drag, drop with dozens of different widgets. So coding now is really a thing of the past because you can build these big, beautiful websites with ease, speed, with silky smooth pleasure. This is absolutely amazing. We have hundreds of templates. They have incredible designs ready to build out any website for any kind of thing that you're thinking of. Say you're a landscaper, well, there's something for you. Or say you're a plumber, or say you offer a service other than some of those. Whatever it is that you have, or say you're offering a product, they have the ability with all of these hundreds of templates to really find something that's going to fit your niche right here. Also, we have A and B split testing. This is so important. So many companies have to hire a company which will go ahead and build out the ability to do what they call A and B split testing, and then charge you thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars for using their services. You can kind of find out, does A work for you or B work for you? Which one is actually doing better? So one of the more amazing things that we can do right here is to do the A and B testing, because you don't always know which design works better for you or what information is actually making a better conversion. You want to be able to reach your audience and see how that audience is reacting to your information. Well, this is vital to your business, this A and B split testing. And that is something that is included with the software when you get it from the OnlineBusiness.App. So if we keep going down there, they have instant modification. So you can modify all of your pages, fonts, colors, and all the settings in here with just a few simple clicks. It's absolutely amazing. And here's one of the most important things. Everybody is talking on these things today. Everybody's on their cell phone. In fact, your cell phone costs almost more than your computer costs these days. So this app and software is already mobile friendly. You do not have to do anything to it. It is actually designed so that your websites and design will automatically scale to phones, to tablets, without any need to go ahead and spend thousands of hours and time and money just trying to change it so that you build one thing for one, then have to redesign everything for it to fit another. It does it automatically for you. That is absolutely amazing. It also has private membership. So if you're looking to have, say, a login membership kind of thing, if you are, say, you're a fitness person, as an example, and say, hey, I want you guys to come join my gym. I want you to join my fitness program. I'm going to be doing a fitness program where I hold you accountable and you can kind of get into my fitness program. I'm going to teach you and mentor you through this program. Well, that program could have a private membership. That private membership, as an example, could be right here. And you can have tools to kind of audit or report on all of the things that are going on with the membership right here. So if you want to build your own sales funnel, this is one of the most important things that you can have whenever you are a business owner, whenever you have any kind of business, is having some sort of sales funnel. Okay, that sales funnel is going to kind of give you information and help you track where the interest is coming from the customer. This is one of the most important tools that you could ever have, and it's all built in this software right here. So certainly try that 14-day trial. Also, this is one of the most amazing features of this as well, is that you can sell any product anytime because we take 0 fees. Okay, so this software allows you to have e-commerce right here, which allows you to sell a physical product, it allows you to sell a digital product, it allows you to sell a service or a membership. So with all of these tools, the A and B testing, the analytics and tracking, and of course the CMR, the Customer Relationships Manager, which you can track and manage all of your lead sales in your own CMR section of your website. So you don't have to go out and get an additional CMR or some sort of outsourced company that you're paying a monthly subscription for, when this software has everything built in it for you, where you can track and manage everything about your sales and your leads. So if you want to increase your value, they have what's called a one-click upsell. See, this is something that you can add, say when somebody is checking out of your e-commerce store, you can say, hey, thank you for buying this product. For a one-time offer, we would like to offer you this product. One click, they buy it. They basically one-click buy, right? I guess that's pretty self-explanatory. So our one-click sales funnel builder is the easiest way to upsell a product with one simple click. No need to take any more billing info. Just click it once, and it can actually increase your income about 10 times your current income, because more people will take advantage of it if it's just simple and easy and it's just one click. So if you want to start selling more, we have the most powerful checkout process ever. There is no distractions. It's a one-step checkout. It upsells easily with one click. So if we were to check here, this would kind of give us a good idea. So say you take this bed, for example, and it's on a limited time deal. It's this ultra soft comfy bed, and it was this price and now it's down to this price. Well, the customer can fill out their information right here, pay on delivery. Do you want this? Sure, click. You can give them an optional. Would you like to buy that? Yes, I would like to buy that too. One click, complete the order, and then everything is set and it's all on its way. So it makes it a very easy user experience, which is one of the most important things about this software, is not only being an easy experience for you to go ahead and build and set this up and manage your company, but also easy, beautiful experience for your customer, which is going to also increase your sales. Now, you want to give people the choice If a visitor wants to come, if they want a subscription, if they want a physical project, if they want a digital project, this gives you a chance to give them multiple offers. If you have a business that's designed for having multiple offers or a subscription-based model, say they're going to want to subscribe and pay a certain monthly fee or yearly fee to have your service, this gives you those options. So if you want to have somebody that is an admin and you want to connect to the domains to each of your funnel, in other words, one person that basically be able to manage, okay, this is from the page builder, this is for the store, this is for this part of your business, that's for that part of your business, you'd be able to do that as well. Now, one of the other most important things is once you get your people's information, you want to basically have a way and a process for them to be always up to date on your information. Now, nobody's got the time to sit there and go ahead and contact each person individually, and that's why you have what we call the automated email autoresponder. See, this is the best email autoresponder you can ever use. Most people have to pay companies for this kind of a service. So you can start impressing your prospects with automated emails that instantly turn you into a professional. So no matter what your business is, an automated email is an absolute amazing thing. It automatically sends stuff out to your customers to keep your information and your business on top of their mind, right? So this has a bunch of different templates that you can go through and check out, and this can actually help also increase your sales. Now, here's another important thing we can talk about, which is automation of the sales flow, right? So automation flows, you can basically create it so that if this email comes in here, that means that we want to delay it one day, and then if we want to send that email out and they respond, then it might get into another flow. So it gives you a quick example right over here on the side. So send email, wait a delay, there it is. If this happens, then this. If not, then that. And that you can kind of see, you can kind of direct which path to help maximize getting in front of your client or your customer. We have lists and segmentation. Yes, you can turn your auto email responder into an automated organizer that categorizes your clients based upon their needs, wants, and desires. This is absolutely amazing. And here is your e-commerce store. That is right, folks. You can sell anything, anywhere, at any time if someone's able to get online. If they're able to contact or get into your products that you're able to offer, well, you can pretty much do that wherever you are, no matter where you are across the world, with just our software and an internet connection, right? So you can upload pictures and write status and updates on your social media accounts. You can upload products and descriptions even easier with their e-commerce store builder right here. And this kind of gives you an example of it right here. So whether you're doing a physical product, a digital product, if you're selling a service or a membership, we deal with all of the top payment processors. If you want to connect your processor and start accepting, orders today, we don't take any of your money like our competitors do, whether you're using things like Paystock or PayPal or PayFast or PayU or Stripe or Braintree or MobilePay or Authorize.net or 2to-Checkout or Klarna, we have something for you. Here is another thing about the memberships, right? The memberships that you're selling can be recurring memberships, meaning that once they sign up once, and say it is a monthly based subscription, then we can make that setup automated. So every month they're automatically billed. Every month you have passive income coming in from creating a full grown membership sales funnel. And that sales funnel can really completely change your business if you are on the subscription based model. So with fully customizable checkouts, you can pretty much make it a complete amazing user experience for your customer. You can customize literally anything on the checkout to basically suit the needs of you, your customer, and your company. So between product variations, we can make recurring payments. We can also do things like discount codes. Say, hey, use my promo code, Mr. Wright is the absolute bomb, and you can receive X amount of money off. Well, we have the ability to do that for you as well. Also order management, so you can monitor all of your orders just from the dashboard. You can also create like shipping rules saying, this ships within X amount of time. So you can make it a lot easier for your physical products too. And also it applies taxes on your orders with different rules, which is very easy to use. So That way, everything is all done in one for you. So, sell and purchase from anywhere in the world. That is another amazing part of it. It doesn't matter if you're in the United States, say you're overseas in Europe, say you're down in Africa, say you're over with our friends in Australia, say you're in Japan, say you're in China, say you're anywhere in the entire world. You can sell and purchase anywhere in the world with our software. It is absolutely amazing. So, super simple subscription management right here. Your customers can easily manage all of their purchases, subscriptions, and memberships from one intuitive dashboard after their purchase, which is absolutely amazing as well. So, from the CMR, which is a customer relationship manager, okay, you can form messages, and you can create custom properties so you can engage with your customers and never really miss a lead, and manage all of your contacts from one place with your own free contact manager that comes with our all-in-one software. This gives you an example of it right here. Custom profiles. You can actually make custom profiles on our website right here. It's an easy way to manage all of your customers' details and customer properties, orders, and memberships all in one with a beautiful customer profile. All of your messages in one place as well. So that is a very important thing. You can manage all of your submitted segmented forums and organize them by date and never actually ever lose a lead because it is designed to do and take care of all of that for you. So you can create custom properties. So you can create and manage your properties all in one place. You can use the customer profiles or when they're building forums to keep everything aligned in your business with ease, speed, and pleasure. This has one place to manage all of your leads and memberships. Your own free CMR to manage everything, all your prospects, all your users, all in one place. Also, we know how important it is to connect to your pages, to the leading automation tools and payment processors out here. This integrates with a lot of your favorite apps. ActiveCampaign, Stripe, MailChimp, Google Analytics, Zapper, PayPal, GetResponse, and more. So if you want to go ahead and start your 14-day free trial with us, all you got to do is click right here. You're going to basically fill out your information like your name, your email, your password, and go ahead and put in your phone number. You're going to want to go ahead and click that you're not a robot. You want to go ahead here and click this free account. You can go ahead and get started on this software and take advantage of our free 14-day trial. So you can go ahead and see all of these different amazing things. Now keep in mind, throughout this whole software, we're going to go ahead and have a tutorial section that is in there. So when you go ahead and click into that tutorial section, it's going to show you how to operate and use the software. So if you have a question at any time right here, support is always down here in the right hand corner. It says we are here. Go ahead and give that a click. And it will say hi there. Whatever you need help with, you can actually search for your answers. You can start a new conversation. You can go ahead and contact support. So my name is Michael Wright. I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys get a chance to check out the 14 free day trial. It is absolutely amazing software. I might do another follow-up video of some of the other amazing features once you're in the software in the future. But for now, I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Have a great night.